So CLC released their new single Helicopter about 6 hours ago, and in my opinion, it was shmeh. Hey guys, welcome back to Hey-Kpopin, and today I'll be popping the corn on CLC's Helicopter. Right off the bat, I'll say that it wasn't that bad, but CLC for their past 4 or so comebacks before Devil dropped complete bangers, and for a comeback that took a year or more, I expected a lot more. I hate when K-pop songs have an English title and they repeat it so much times in the song. Well, there's some songs that are great like that, but this was an example of what didn't work. So the music video was great. It was stunning and the shots were beautiful, not to mention the girls, well, women, looked really nice and elegant. Like very. I loved Sungyeon's hair. So my favorite part were Yeon's rap. As always, she always delivers. I love her energy and her vibe, and when she is doing it, it's mesmerizing. And to my surprise, they gave Inbin a rap and she sounded amazing. Honestly, I love when females have an almost raspy or a sharp rap voice. It's beautiful, and I'm hoping one day they make Sungyeon try it because I know she'll do great. I love her voice, just like how she did the ending word for no.
Red lip, no.
That was beautiful. Imagine that rapping. So the outfits in the video was gorgeous. I love the green pieces especially. Well, honestly, everything worked. The dance looked great and everything was amazing, but the song, I wished I was swept away by it like everyone else seemed to be, but I wasn't. I'll listen to it some more to see if I like it, but for now I give it a 5 out of 10. I'm very sorry, CLC, but I don't think this was the best you could do. Everybody seemed to love it though, but for me it wasn't the best. I prefer, to this day, it's the best song they have. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like if you liked this video, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe if you're new, or if you're not, press that notification bell if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.